Now let's discuss what you can find if you open the order and what is inside. So let's open one of the orders. And right now you can see on the left side all the similar orders. In the middle you can see what has been purchased. You would see, the price, subtotal, taxes, and the total amount. You can also leave notes like, please pack nicely. I'm usually available after 5 p.m. So you can clearly see that this one was made from a customer. And you can also leave notes as the account owner, or any one of the users can also leave notes. Simple as that. If you would like to send this to a customer, the note, you can just click right here. But in the moment, no customer email is provided. Right here, you can click to show on invoice, or you can just delete the note. On the right side, you will see all of the important information about the customer's name, his addresses, contact information, shipping address, billing address. Sometimes you can find a reference number, fulfillment by a provider, and you can also assign a team member to this order. He will get a notification that he needs to look at this order. Always remember that on the top right corner we have this little question mark which you can click, and you will be redirected directly to our Q&A section about integrations, orders, inventory, etc. Here you will find tutorial guides how to correctly integrate any of your sales channels as well. And as I said previously, if you have any questions, just write directly to our live chat or give us a call and we will help you with the process of the integration. I hope this video was useful, and as always, have a nice day.